This video I will explain what is Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card is a unique identity card given to people in India. Aadhaar card is issued by the Government of India and it contains a 12-digit unique number for each person. What does an Aadhaar card contain? Your name, your full name as per records, your 12-digit Aadhaar number, a unique number given only to you, your photo, your picture for identification, your address, your home address, your date of birth, your birth details, your biometric data, your fingerprints and eye scan. It is also called iris scan for security. Why Aadhaar card is important? First point is proof of identity. It helps prove who you are. Next point is proof of address. It can be used as address proof for official work. Next point is government benefits. Needed for getting subsidies and government schemes. Next point is bank account. Helps in opening bank account easily. Next point is mobile SIM card. Required when getting a new mobile number. Next point is income tax and PAN card. Needed for filing taxes and linking with a PAN card. Next point is school admissions. Often required for admission to schools and educational institutions. Next point is passport application. Needed for applying for a passport. What are the important things to know about Aadhaar card? Aadhaar card is free. There is no charge to get an Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is not a citizenship card. It is only an identity card, not proof of Indian citizenship. You have to keep Aadhaar card safe. Do not share your Aadhaar number with unknown people to avoid fraud. Update the Aadhaar card details if needed. You can update your address or details if they change. Aadhaar card is available in digital form. You can download e-Aadhaar from official website. How to apply for Aadhaar card? You have to visit an Aadhaar enrollment center which is nearest to you. You can find the nearest center in online. Then you have to provide the documents like identity proof and address proof. For identity proof, you can give PAN card, and for address proof, you can give electricity bill. Then biometric scanning will be done in Aadhaar enrollment center, like your fingerprints, eye scan, and photo will be taken. Then the card will be sent by post or can be downloaded online. What is the conclusion? The Aadhaar card is an important identity document for people in India. It helps in getting government benefits, opening bank accounts, and verifying identity. Always keep your Aadhaar details safe and use them responsibly.